So I got the Kingtoo single serve coffee maker, and it's actually the best one that I've used so far. I mean, aside from like an actual Keurig, but even then it competes pretty well. It's easy to clean. First of all, that's a problem that I found with a lot of these cheaper, well, I guess it's not cheaper, but off-brand single serve coffee makers is they're not designed in a way so that they're easy to clean, or they leak coffee and it gets like the bottoms and the edges like this really gross stained coffee color that you can't wash off. So that's important. This is like a smooth finish. There's no weird crevices for grime to get stuck. It's really easy to clean. You just lift this tray up. This is the drip tray. It doesn't leak anywhere. It has a really secure fit, so your cup's not wobbling around. And then you just put your cup in there. But also the area over here where the coffee comes out, there's like no drippage, which is, you know, one of a kind so far that I've seen. It comes with a 14-ounce thermal mug, which is pretty good quality. It has a flip top. You can take this off. Stainless steel on the inside. And it also comes with ground coffee or tea thing that you can put in here. Since I'm using K-Cup pods, I'm not using that at the time. This is for the K-Cup pods right here. Another nice thing that this one in particular has is in the back right here. I guess you can't really see. Hold on. There we go. So the water reservoir is right here. While not completely removable, you do have considerable access to it. And it has this like little blue insert which shows you the level for I think everything from 8 to 10 to 12 to 14 ounces. 14 ounces is technically the maximum. However, my 17, I think it's 17 and a half ounce. Yeah, my 17 and a half ounce mug fills the tank with a little bit, with probably like an ounce of water that you could still add on top of it, and that allows me to get a full cup of coffee that doesn't taste watered down. So here's my fresh K-Cup pod. Just press this. Oops. It pops open. Put your pod in there. Press it down. Then on this side, we have our two buttons. This one is for ground coffee or tea, and this one's for capsules. So I just press the capsule button, and in about 5 minutes, we're gonna have a nice cup of coffee. Look at that. Really compact design. I have this in my bedroom. It doesn't leak. The only time there's any water spillage is if I'm clumsy and I get water spilled over the sides of the tank. But I am very pleased with it. It has performed very well, much better than I expected. Yes, it is the price of an actual Keurig brand coffee maker. That is something that you're going to have to take up with yourself. But this one performs really well, and the coffee comes out tasting good, which is another weak point that a lot of the other ones that may produce the coffee a little faster can't bring to the table. So, great package overall.